Hi everyone, my name is Gideon and I'm going to explain to you about the glide pricing. So as you can see, there are four plans over here and there's an extra one over here, which is custom made for enterprise. Today I'm going to focus about these four, the one, free, starter, pro, and business. As you can see, there are three different pricing for different limitations of the usage of the app. In this video, I will discuss the project, users, and data. The rest of them you can read by yourself. It really depends on your needs, what you need or what you not. But those are the basic ones, and this will help you to choose the correct plan for you. So let's begin. Projects. Project referring to all apps and pages in my file. So for example, in this study case, we have 3 projects, right? Basically, so this limitation is about published, okay, published apps. So not all of these 3 projects are published. For example, this one is not published yet, you see? You can press here to make it publish. If you go to the usage of the team, you can see published projects, just one out of unlimited, because this is the pro plan. Okay, we see unlimited. You can publish and unpublished projects, right? So if someone that you some project that you don't need, you can unpublish it and publish another one. Editors. Editors are the people who can edit. Okay, they can edit the app. They can go inside the app, edit it, and do whatever they want with it. So be careful who you let into your team. Whitelabeling. So this is for the brand of Glide. Basically, this means that you can remove the brand of Glide. In the starter plan, you can do it separately, 10 US per app per month. For the pro plan, you will get 3 free, and for the business, you will get 5 free. We can see it over here, setting, okay, privacy, and we can go to billing. And in billing, we have this checkbox. We can check it. As you can see, there's 0. 0 because I'm on the pro plan, and I'm still on the 3 limits that I have. I have 3 free ones, so it's not a problem. I can do it or not. Next, so those was the project. So next are users. We have visitor, public, and private. Visitors are all the users that can go inside the app without signing in. We can set unlimited for all the plans. And then we have public and private users. Let's see what that means. So in setting privacy, we can see here public sign-in and private sign-in. Public sign-in, we have 2 options, public and public with mail. Public, it means that anybody can go inside your app, go around with it, as long as he basically his email is empty, he can see whatever he wants, and until he will sign in, and then he will count as a public user. Or you can set up to public with email. Then the second he put his email, then he will consider as a public user. Please note that if I am going to this app and I sign in here, and then I want to sign in over here in a different app, still I'm just one public user. I won't count it as 2 or 3 users in the same team. Okay? It will acknowledge my email address. And private users basically are those that is limited. You can either limit it by members or you can limit it by a list of emails that you wish only them to sign in. This might be changed in the future, but I'm promised I will make a new video once it will happen. So data. Data is limited. We see here limitation on rows, updates, and file storage. There is no limitation about source. In each plan, you can use any source that you wish. Currently, we have Glide tables, Google Sheets, Airtable, and Excel. Let's focus about the rows. So basically, in each plan, there's a different limitation per app, okay, per project. Let's see the usage in my study case. Here we can see 2 apps of row usage. Each one of them can handle up to 25,000 rows, okay, each one of them. So what counts as a row in Glide? Basically, each row that the app is using, okay, to show the data in the app will consider as a row, okay? Glide won't count empty rows and it won't count tables that you don't even use, meaning I can have one tab with 50,000 rows and another tab with only 500. And if I use only that 500, then the app will show me 500. It won't show 50,000 and 500. I hope this is clear. Next, we have updates. Updates is something that you can actually grow if you wish. You can add 1,000 per month per 10 US. So usage is this one. As you can see in this study case, it's over the limit of the updates that I have, but it's a bit soft limit, and Glide will allow more update than you have, but keep in mind that you will make it slowly. Okay, your updates will take slow. So if you update something, it will take some time until you will see the update in your app. So what counts as an update? As you can see, we have ads. Okay, I'm adding rows, counts an update. If I'm editing some rows, counts an update. If I'm deleting rows or deleting any info, we'll consider it an update. And syncs. Okay, sync meaning that the Glide need to sync with the Google Sheets, Airtable, or Excel. So if using the Glide table, you can reduce this number. So the app won't need to sync because it's already have the data inside of it. And finally we have file storage. File storage is for images and file. I recommend you to compress those file and images before uploading to your app to reduce the file storage as much as possible. As you can see on the business plan, we have 1 terabyte, which is really, really a lot. Keep in mind, this file storage is for the whole team. As we can see, in this study case, we have 13.5 gigabyte out of 53 gigabytes. Okay, for the whole team. So those 2 thresholds are for the whole team, and the last one is per project. Hope this was helpful and you understand now better the pricing of Glide. Can't wait to see you in my next video.